So, it all started when I decided to clean the TV room walls. Don't ask why. Just one of those random bursts of energy where you think, today, I'm a responsible adult. I grabbed a sponge, a bucket, and my favorite cleaning spray. I was ready to conquer the dust. Now, you know those old family photo frames? The ones hanging precariously on the wall, practically begging to fall off. Yeah, I didn't think about them until my elbow nudged one. Down it went, shattering like my hopes of a quick cleanup. As I'm sweeping up glass, my dog, Max, decides to join the chaos. He runs in, thinking I'm playing some weird new game. Next thing I know, he's tangled in the vacuum cord, dragging the whole thing across the room. And the TV? Oh, the TV. While I'm untangling Max, I hear a loud clunk. The bucket I forgot near the entertainment center tipped over, water rushing toward the surge protector. I leapt like an Olympic sprinter, unplugging everything just in time.